A newly released cell phone video of the Minneapolis shooting has emerged and has sparked some fresh controversy and nationwide debate. The video, reportedly recorded by the ICE officer who fired, shows the tense moments before and during the deadly shooting of the 37-year-old Renee Nicole Good by the federal agents in Minneapolis. The federal officials say that the officer acted in self-defense, claiming Good attempted to use a vehicle as a weapon, but the local leaders and witnesses dispute that account and are demanding for a transparent and a fair and an independent investigation.
Oh!
It's okay, we don't change our plates every morning, just so you know. It'll be the same plate when you come talk to us later. That's fine. U.S. citizen. You want to come at us? You want to come at us? I said go get yourself some lunch, big boy. Go ahead.
Out of the car. Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the car. Oh!
Hundreds of protesters gathered outside of the federal building in Minneapolis, demanding justice for the woman who was shot dead by the ICE agent. In response, officers deployed chemical irritants and smoke bombs in order to try and disperse the crowd. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the USDA, has announced that it is suspending all federal financial awards and funding to the state of Minnesota and the city of Minneapolis, effective immediately. Agricultural Secretary Brooke Rollins has said that the decision comes amidst what the USDA has described as massive fraud involving federal benefit programs in Minnesota. And this comes at a time when Minneapolis is already on the edge due to the fatal shooting of a woman by an ICE agent. In addition to this, Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey has urged the federal government to allow state investigators to participate in the probe, sharply criticizing the Trump administration for prejudging the case and also excluding the local authorities. And people also rallied through the streets of Minneapolis, braving the harsh weather to demand for an immediate end to the federal immigration enforcement. Meanwhile, Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty has asked the public to submit any video or other evidence related to the fatal shooting. She emphasized on the federal control of the probe and said that she's in fact worried that the FBI won't share evidence with state investigators.
We know that they've already determined much of the investigation, and even if they haven't, there is the appearance that there is some conclusion drawn from the very beginning. If not hide from the facts, why not embrace them? If it's not a problem to have additional people at the table that have a deep commitment to the process and transparency and have run these investigations before, then why not include them in the process?
And amidst the rising tensions over the fatal shooting in Minneapolis, Donald Trump has vowed to defend immigration, customs enforcement and other federal law enforcement officers, framing the incident as a dangerous situation in which agents acted to protect themselves. He also criticized Minnesota's leaders, claiming that the federal investigators are not sharing evidence from the probe with the state authorities, because in this view, those officials are clearly corrupt.
Well, I haven't seen the vice president's statement, but he's generally very accurate. I hate to say, look, I watched that yesterday, and there were a lot of different forms to it. But there was a woman screaming, "Shame, shame, shame, shame." She was a agitator, probably a paid agitator. But
for all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.